So, you want to start a garden from scratch? That's awesome. But I'm going to be real with you. You've probably seen videos and Pinterest boards showing perfect raised beds, colorful blooms and baskets full of homegrown veggies. But there's a lot no one tells you when you're just starting out. And trust me, I've learned it all the hard way. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you actually need to know to build a successful garden from the ground up, without the overwhelm, wasted money, or dead plants. Let's get growing. First up, forget the pretty plant catalogs for a second. Your soil is way more important than the plants you pick. If you start planting in bad soil, your garden will struggle no matter how much you water or love it. Most backyard dirt is too compact, too sandy, or too low in nutrients for growing food or flowers. What no one tells you, you need to build your soil first. That means mixing in compost, loosening compacted soil, and adding organic matter like leaves or mulch. If you're starting with raised beds or containers, use a quality mix, not just topsoil. Your future plants will thank you. You can't cheat the sun. A lot of beginners start their gardens in a convenient spot, like along a fence or next to the house, only to realize it barely gets 2 hours of sun a day. What no one tells you, track your sunlight. Before planting anything, spend a day watching where the sun hits. Most vegetables and flowers need 6 to 8 hours of full sun to thrive. Too much shade? Focus on leafy greens, herbs, or shade-tolerant flowers. Otherwise, move your garden plan to where the sun shines. This one's tough, because it's so tempting to go big. But building an entire garden from scratch is exhausting if you take on too much. What no one tells you, start with a single bed or even just containers. Master a few plants first, like tomatoes, basil, or lettuce, before adding more beds, rows, or fruit trees. A small, well-loved garden is better than a big, chaotic one. And bonus, you'll actually enjoy it, rather than feeling like it's another job. Watering seems easy, until it isn't. Dragging hoses, refilling watering cans, dealing with dry soil, it gets old fast. What no one tells you, you need a watering strategy. Will you use a drip irrigation system, soaker hoses? Are your beds near a spigot? Also, consider how fast your soil drains. Clay-heavy soil holds too much water. Sandy soil dries out too fast. Water needs to be regular, deep, and easy, otherwise your plants will suffer and you'll burn out. You've seen the photos, beautiful raised beds lined with cedar, but which is actually better for you? What no one tells you, raised beds are great, but they cost money and need a lot of soil to fill. In-ground beds are cheaper and easier to scale, but may need more soil conditioning. If you're on a budget, try lasagna gardening. Layering cardboard, compost, and soil right on top of the grass to start growing fast and naturally. Either way, choose what fits your space, energy level, and wallet. Here's the truth. Some plants are divas. They demand perfect conditions, constant attention, and still die on you anyway. What no one tells you is to start with forgiving plants. Try leafy greens like lettuce or spinach. Radishes are great too, they grow in about 3 weeks. Zucchini can be almost too productive. Herbs like basil, parsley, or mint are perfect in pots. Just remember, mint likes to spread. Save the eggplants and artichokes for next season. Learn the basics first. What no one tells you is that it's normal. You don't need to panic or reach for chemicals. Just mulch to suppress weeds, use netting or fencing if animals are an issue, and try neem oil or soapy water for pests. Observe and learn. You'll notice patterns over time. Gardening is a dance with nature, not a battle against it. Your carrots may be stubby, your tomatoes might crack. You might plant everything and forget to water for 3 days. It happens. What no one tells you is that mistakes are how you learn. Every gardener, no matter how experienced, kills a plant now and then. Just keep showing up. Nature is forgiving, and your skills will grow with every season. Here's what they really don't tell you. Gardening isn't just about food or flowers, it's about reconnecting. With nature, with your food, and with yourself. The smell of soil, the buzz of bees, the satisfaction of harvesting something you grew, it's powerful. It slows you down, grounds you, makes you present. So if you're starting a garden from scratch, know this. You're not just planting seeds, you're growing a lifestyle. One that'll bring beauty, peace, and joy to your life for years to come. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a fellow new gardener. Drop a comment and let me know. What's your biggest fear or question about starting your garden? I'd love to help. Until next time, keep growing and trust the process.